mall.
Yeah, we at the mall.
Kai and Milani been asking all weekend to go to the mall. It's a gloomy Monday.
Yeah.
Monday afternoon. It's 1:51. It's 1:51 and we're going to go to the mall. I also have some stuff that I gotta take to the seamstress because I have stuff planned for not only me but my children. I have stuff planned not only for me but also my children, and I need some of my outfits to be properly put on, so that's what we're gonna do. I also feel like Kai and Milani need some new shoes, so I'm probably gonna get them like 1 to 2 pairs of shoes in the mall. I love Sambas, so I think I'm gonna get them a Samba and also get myself one. But anyways, let's get into it. Oh, my battery is low today. So we secured the goods, but not the shoes that I wanted. But Milani got 2 shoes. Kai got 1. I'm gonna go to another store, see if I can find other shoes for them. But I had to come back to the car because I forgot my friggin' coins.
The coins. Mommy.
Yes.
Are you gonna go to the park?
Yes, to go play. Yes, that's why I need the coins. Anyways, back inside. Do I think I'm going to get to the seamstress today? Absolutely not. The budget is chopped. Okay, very much chopped. But anyways, we're leaving the mall now. We're going home.
What about any shoes that you were talking about?
Yeah, we could find the shoes that I was talking about. So I found the next best thing. When I get inside, I'll show you guys it.
Yeah.
So this week is finals week. And even with everything going on, your girl still has good grades. Anyways, I did one of my finals already. I have 3 more to go. So, yeah. So let me hurry up before my battery dies. I went to 2 places. I went to Foot Locker, and I went to another store because the other store looked like they were having a sale, and they did, and I'm glad. So Foot Locker is, my bill came up to $170. First thing is first, I got Milani some Crocs. She picked these out. I am gonna get her some decorations on Amazon for her Crocs. I bought Kai a new pair of Jordans because the Jordans that he has, the Jordan that he has, he outgrew it, and we gave it to Milani. And then I bought another shoes at Foot Locker. And these are Pumas. And I got this for her. This is how it looks. Cute. Pink and white. Milani have a lot of pink stuff as always. I'm gonna take these out the boxes because I'm gonna put them away. Then the next one is this one, Rack Room shoes. And Rack Room was having a sale, buy one, get one 50% off. So And Kai foot is getting big. Kai is officially in a size 1 and a size 2. So this is the shoes that I got him. Some Adidas. How much did my total come to at roughly? I think it was another $100. I don't know where my...
Mom, can my clothes?
Yes, Milani, bring it. So I got them the VL Core 3.2. I couldn't find, none of the stores had the kids Sambas, so these were the closest thing to it. I got this in black and white for Kai. Oh my god, my body's about to die. And I got it in black and white with the brown soles, so he can wear it with black, white, brown, anything. And then 10. This one is Milani's. I don't know why this is Milani's shoes. This is how it look, and this is also the VL Core 3.2, and I got it in the brown sole with black, white, and brown.
These are the shoes that my mom brought for me. And so...
And then these ones are some Pumas.
Yeah.
I like buying Puma stuff, especially for my kids, because they're normally affordable and they support Jamaican athletes. So Puma can always get my money. These are the shoes that I got for Kai.
And these are the shoes that my mom got for me.
And then
Yeah, these are for my mommy.
those are for Kai. Those are not mine. And then I can find, Milani have a pair of pink shoes that she wears to dance. He wore it to the park and now it's nowhere to be found. So I got her these Pumas also.
Yeah, they were for dance.
For dance. So yeah, that's everything I bought.
Everything I put to the set. Peace.
Peace. Here, Greece.
Let's do it.
I got a hotel room and I'm
Sorry.
continuing my plan to go to Pennsylvania. So yeah, that's where I'm originally from. I have family members there. I have support. I have a few things set up. So yeah, we're in a hotel room and we leave today. But I think I'm gonna go. I was trying to get late checkout and I don't mind paying for the late checkout, but they say they only do until 1, so we're gonna be here until 1, and that's what we're doing today. So with all this stuff going on, I finished almost all of my midterms. I did really well. So when I go to Pennsylvania, I am going to treat myself to a new phone.
Pennsylvania?
Yes, Pennsylvania. I'm just organizing these bags and getting my life together.
And then maybe they will have something.
And there's Milani. Anyways, so our checkout is at 1. Everybody is ready. I got a luggage. I took a Uber, got a luggage. There's Kai. There's Milani. I'm here. I ordered some food from Chick-fil-A though, so I'm waiting on it to be dropped off downstairs first, and then I'll go check out, and then we'll probably sit, eat, and then go to the airport.
We're going to the big one. It already grown already.
We're at the airport. So your girl took a flight to where she's loved and respected.
Yes, we're going to a fort. And we're going to the store.
So we're going to the store. I have no makeup here and I have content to make. So I'm gonna see if I can use $100. My budget.
$100.
My budget is $100 to get my makeup.
My makeup.
Together. Mommy, stop doing that, please. Oh, my budget is $100. I'm gonna see if I can make a quick little makeup kit on $100 budget, and I'm gonna mix both drugstore and high end because I have a $50 Sephora gift card that I want to use. So, and yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit of shopping because Kai needs some stuff. So that's what we're doing today.
And me too.
And there goes Milani.
And I need some socks too.
You need some socks. You have socks.
But where is my socks?
You want to put socks on?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I saw these dresses being advertised on TikTok Shop. I didn't get it on TikTok Shop because it was cheaper on Amazon. They were having a sale. And the dress is
this is my black shirt. And it's my shirt.
Anyways.
And this is my shirt. And this is from Amazon too. And this is just from Amazon.
Oh wow.
And it's so cute.
So cute.
Yeah. And my this.
Oh, see ya.
So nice and so comfortable.
Alright, so I propped y'all up. Let's turn this light on. Just gonna stick that there. So we have more light. I said the budget was $100. I'm gonna show you what I got. Let's start with skincare stuff first. I just bought 2 of these. They're in Florida. Got one for my mom too. And I got the La Roche-Posay Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream. I also got the Neutrogena Hysa Bruce Water Cream. I have more combination to dry skin, so I like cream-based products. So let's talk about all the stuff that I got. I didn't get any brow stuff. Why? I don't know. I'm probably just gonna have to mix. So I got 3 brushes from e.l.f. the Cameo liquid brushes. I also got the hydrating Cameo concealer, and I got this in rich chocolate. I got this to contour with. Oh, I forgot about this. I also got the Ordinary Retinol 0.2 emulsifying. Like I said, I don't have anything with me. I got this, I also got this, and then this, and this is the Smoky Eye blush set. And then for foundation, I got the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Fresh Wear. This is one of my favorite foundation. I actually got this in 500 because I'm a bit darker now. I have a bit of tan. I got the NYX Eyebrow Glue. This is one of my faves also. I got this Evian Facial Mist. I used to use this all the time back in the day when I actually used to do people's makeup. I used to prep with this and set with this, and it's only $8 and it's really good, and I love the spray bottle. And then I got some lip liners from LA Girl. I got this L'Oreal Paris lip gloss. I also got a lipstick. And I got a eyeshadow, Chrome from Colourpop. And then I think this is from Juvia's Place. This is from Juvia's Place. I got this one in bronze, and then I got the volume 1. I actually have volume 1 already. It's one of my favorite blush. I'm gonna just try see if I can figure out if I can make $100 work with all this stuff. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'm sure I'll show you guys what everything amount to for a full face, but or maybe I'll just insert it in here. Anyways, yes. So it's looking a bit orangey. So we're gonna do some product testing.
I'm farting.
It's the next day.
If I pick up my picture.
So I got the Hydra Boost water cream. Let's see if my foundation and concealer is water based, and I think these e.l.f. concealers are water based also, so I think we should be good to use this as a moisturizer. favorite sunglass brands on Amazon, Sojo's, sent me a few pair of glasses, and they also have an exclusive coupon codes for you guys. So let's get to trying on.
Right now, polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Look back at it, shawty, don't look sit down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body create a color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now your life up Cupid. Hate to be a rag, so that nigga feel stupid. Thumbing through the gram, trying to figure out where you been. All I need to know is that you're outside. Watch you real time, ain't too live. Easily adjusted to your new life. Since you let loose, you been too tight. Tight. No place to unknown plans. You don't need a man, you got your own plans. No kid money, these grown plans. How do we come up, they sleepin'? Pussy so good, gotta sleep in. Watch your back.
Damn, they work me so damn hard. Work by 9 and off past 5, and they work my nerves. That's why I cannot sleep at night. Motivation. I'm looking for a new foundation, yeah. And I'm on that new vibration. I'm building my own foundation, yeah. Oh, baby, baby, you won't break my soul. 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 I tell everybody, everybody.
The juice there.
I don't want that juice.
Okay, drink water.
Look at Ashaya. Look at Ashaya, they run. Yeah.
Mom, what is it? Do you know what you should do as a grown up?